Tired of being redirected to third-party apps like Terabox when trying to watch videos sent on Telegram? Here's how to watch them directly on your iPhone in 2025. The best method is to try and use Telegram's built-in player first. When someone sends a video, tap on the file itself to see if it plays directly within the Telegram app. If it does, you're all set. If it instead tries to open Terabox, look for a download option first. Sometimes you can tap the file and choose Save to Downloads or a similar option. Once it's saved to your iPhone's local storage, you can open it from your Files app or your Photos app to watch it. Another powerful method is to use a dedicated media player app like VLC. You can save the video file to your iPhone and then open it using the VLC app, which can play almost any video format. A final, simple workaround is to use your iPhone's built-in screen recorder. Start recording your screen, then tap the video file in Telegram to let it play in the Terabox preview window. You'll have a recording of the video you can watch back anytime. Be cautious of any links or pop-ups that ask for your personal information. The goal is to watch the video securely on your own device. Use these methods to bypass external apps and watch your Telegram videos directly. Enjoy your content.